Hey, how's it going? It's Jasper from Nomo here. In today's Softr tutorial, we're talking about how we can import a large number of users from Airtable into Softr.
So in this tutorial, what we're going to do is we're going to teach you how you can add existing users in your Airtable into Softr. Now, when you enter your Softr site, you want to go to your users on the side panel on the left-hand side. And what we're going to do is you're going to click on Add Users. Instead of going with this tab, Add Users manually, this is only adding one user at a time. We want to import users. So now here we have to drag or import our CSV here. What you're going to do is you download from here, download the CSV, the user table from here. Once you have downloaded that, just come back here and then import that in to Softr. Now what we're going to do is you're going to map the fields. So name and password, they're all optional, so you don't have to do that if you don't want to. For me, I'm going to map the name, and then map the email, and then left the password unmapped. Now I want to create invite. Here you are facing with two options. One is to generate password, one is to generate magic link. For password, your user will be sent an email, and then the password will be given to them. And for magic link, the user is going to receive an email, but they're going to receive a URL, and all they have to do is just to click on the URL, and then they are logged in. So depending on if you want your users to enter their password or with the one-click option to log in. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to pick generate magic link. Click next, and then send invite. Now wait for a while till everything is imported. Invite sent. Now you have all your users from your Airtable to your Softr, and then they all have magic links generated and sent to them in their email. So what the user is going to do next is they can log into your application. So it's always good that you leave a page for them to reset their password, so they are properly signed up. Otherwise, they always have to refer back to this magic link or refer back to the generated password that you sent them if you decided to go with the generated password route when you're inviting them.
And there you have it. This is how you can import existing users from Airtable into Softr. Hope this video helped. If it did, please like and share this video. Subscribe to my channel for more. Follow me on Twitter to engage with me. And until next time, ciao.